Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever found yourself searching for a styling tool that can do it all? Straighten, curl, and wave, while also keeping your hair healthy and frizz-free? Well, today we're talking about two products that claim to do just that. Let's dive into the Kristin Ess Hair 3-in-1 Titanium Flat Iron and the Style Assist Blow Dry Mist Heat Protectant Spray. The Kristin Ess Hair 3-in-1 Titanium Flat Iron isn't your typical flat iron. It's a versatile tool that combines the functions of a flat iron, curler, and waver, giving you the freedom to create sleek, straight hair, bouncy curls, or soft S-waves, all with one device. The 1/4-inch titanium floating plates adjust to your hair texture, ensuring a smooth glide and minimizing damage. If you're worried about heat settings, this flat iron has you covered with 4 digital heat settings, reaching up to 440 degrees Fahrenheit. The titanium plates help distribute heat evenly, lock in moisture, and enhance shine, reducing frizz for a polished finish. Plus, the flat iron includes a 9-foot swivel cord and a heat-resistant travel cap, making it travel-friendly and convenient. Alongside the flat iron, Kristin Ess also offers the Style Assist Blow Dry Mist Heat Protectant Spray, a product designed to be applied to damp hair before styling. This spray serves multiple purposes. It protects your hair from heat damage up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, reduces drying time, smooths split ends, and provides extra shine. Additionally, it works as an anti-humidity hairspray, helping to combat frizz and maintain your style throughout the day. It's a must-have for anyone who frequently uses hot tools. Now let's talk about the real-world testing. I tested the Kristin Ess Hair 3-in-1 Flat Iron on different hair types, including my own medium textured hair. First off, the tool heated up quickly, and the 4 heat settings made it easy to find the right temperature for my hair. I tried it on straightening, curling, and waving, and I was impressed by how versatile it is. The titanium plates did an excellent job of locking in moisture and creating a smooth finish, with minimal frizz, which is a huge win. The flat iron was easy to maneuver, thanks to the 9-foot swivel cord, and the automatic shutoff feature made me feel more at ease, especially when I'm rushing around. However, it's a bit on the heavy side, which might not be ideal for everyone, especially if you're doing a lot of styling in one sitting. In terms of the Style Assist Blow Dry Mist, I found that it lived up to its claims. I applied it to damp hair before blow drying, and it definitely reduced drying time. My hair felt softer and more manageable, and the shine it added was noticeable. It didn't weigh my hair down, and it worked great as a humidity shield. That said, if you're looking for a heavy hold hairspray, this isn't the product for you, as it's more about protection and smoothing rather than creating strong hold. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: versatile 3-in-1 tool that can straighten, curl, and wave. Titanium plates help distribute heat evenly, lock in moisture, and reduce frizz. 4 heat settings, including a high 440 degrees Fahrenheit option, cater to various hair types. Automatic shutoff and 9-foot swivel cord for convenience. The heat protectant spray significantly reduces drying time, adds shine, and smooths frizz. Cons: the flat iron is a bit heavy, which may cause discomfort for some users. The Style Assist Blow Dry Mist doesn't offer a strong hold for those needing it. The flat iron might not be ideal for those with very fine or sensitive hair, as the highest heat setting could be too intense. When it comes to value for money, these products are positioned at a mid-range price point. The flat iron, with its multifunctional capability and quality titanium plates, provides solid value for the price, especially if you're someone who enjoys changing up your hairstyle often. The Style Assist Blow Dry Mist is a great heat protectant and styling aid, but if you're just looking for a basic heat protector, there are cheaper options out there. In terms of build quality, both products are well constructed. The flat iron feels sturdy, and the travel cap is a thoughtful addition. The Blow Dry Mist comes in a sleek bottle that's easy to use, but be mindful that it's best applied to damp hair for optimal results. Alternatives: if you're on a budget or looking for something more specific, you could consider alternatives like the Chai Ceramic Flat Iron for straightening and curling, or a more affordable heat protectant like the Tresemme Thermal Creations Heat Tamer Spray, which is a solid option for those not wanting to splurge on the Kristin Ess Mist. So what's the final verdict? If you're someone who loves versatility and wants a single tool that can handle multiple hairstyling needs, the Kristin Ess 3-in-1 Flat Iron is a solid choice. It's perfect for creating a variety of styles while keeping hair healthy and frizz-free. If you're looking for a reliable heat protectant that does more than just protect, the Style Assist Blow Dry Mist is a great addition to your hair routine, but it's not for those seeking a heavy hold. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.